So we've got another schoolie to take a little tour today. And this is Bob. Tell us a little bit about your bus.
Well, it's a 2002 GMC Savannah. It's a short bus that a friend of mine picked up in New Hampshire, and I traded him a Subaru for it. I drove the Subaru out to he picked it up in New Hampshire and drove it out to Oregon, and I drove the Subaru out to Oregon and traded him for the bus. And I've been in it ever since. It's been about a little over a year now.
Yep.
A year and a half now. It's home.
And this is your YouTube channel, so.
Bucket List Adventures, yep.
Oh, please check it out. I'll be subscribing for sure.
Yep. Thank you for the plug.
And
it's me and Abigail.
Wee beastie.
Addie, load up. Load up. Hey, load up. No. Abigail, load up.
Can we take a look inside?
Sure can, come on. I've got a lot of changes I want to make to it, but, you know, nobody gets it right the first time.
No. No, they're a constant thing of upgrading and fixing. And
I went to Jamie's Enigmatic van build back in November, and they put solar on the roof for me.
Right.
Jeff Eads built this overhead storage for me. I really like this.
Yeah,
I'm not
very
going to
nice.
change that. But I'm going to build a galley right here. Something like I seen in your bus. I really like that.
Yeah, out of an old dinette or dresser kind of thing.
Yeah, well, that's all this is. And I don't take the abuse from the road, you know.
Yeah, well.
But I'm going to take this queen-size bed out. I don't need that. It's just me and Abigail. I'm going to put a twin bed on this side and put a regular galley right here.
Right. And it's amazing to me is like half of your roof is the hatches, the escape hatches.
Right, it lets all the heat out.
Oh yeah, yeah. No need for a fan with that.
Yep.
Well, I like these have just enough lip to keep things from rolling off. Unless you do like me and hit those big massive bumps and everything rearranges itself.
Right, and I do have all the plywood from the cutouts to put doors on it. I just haven't got to it yet.
Yep. I saw somebody did that, and what they did was they put a magnet on the ceiling, so when they open it up, the latch caught the magnet.
My ceilings are aluminum.
Right. Well, they glued it, and they had a steel handle.
There you go.
Which was a great idea.
Yep.
But me, I've just got brackets to hold it up, and every once in a while I'll bump one, they'll come down, smack me in the head. Not fun.
Yep. One thing I do like about the queen-size bed is I've got a ton of storage under it.
Yep.
But, you know, it's getting to now I don't need all that much storage. I keep downsizing, and, you know, I don't need that. I've been lugging this for a year. I don't need that. I don't need that. I don't need that,
Yep.
you know. Very
common. I've got stuff like that on mine that I need to donate.
Yep.
But no, old van seat.
Yep.
Oh.
I want to build something there with storage under it, so I can get rid of the queen size bed, you know.
Sure. And you mentioned you don't put stickers on the outside, but you definitely collected a few on the inside.
Yep. You know, the cops don't see them on the inside.
Yep.
But you put a bunch of stickers on the outside, and I believe it becomes a cop magnet that way.
Very nice.
It works.
Yep. Now you just carried just jugs of water, or?
Yep. I got 5, 10, 15 gallons under the bed, and I got 2 gallons under there and 2 gallons right there.
Right.
I just got my Coleman stove, and, you know, the Bob Wells bucket method for the toilet.
Right.
The Buddy heater.
Yep.
I got my batteries under there.
Yep.
It's not done. It's a work in progress. I'm not very healthy. I've got cancer, so I got stage 4 cancer. So I don't move very fast. I'm sick a lot of days, so.
Yeah. But on the days You
On
feel
the days that I can, I do, you know.
right. Enjoy what you can.
Yep. Shut
Oh.
that off. That's my alarm to come in.
I have alarms like that all the time. All right, well, thank you. It's been a nice bus you got.
Yep, thank you.
And hopefully I will see you later and see what you've done to it, how you've changed it.
Yep.
So.
God willing, you will.